Hey class, welcome to Accounting 202. I'm Dr. Eric Knight. I'm looking forward to working with you this term. In this orientation video, I want to make sure you understand the course and the expectations, and that way you can get off to a quick start. Okay, so first things first, let's look at the announcements. Go to the course menu, hit announcements. Each week I make announcements, and I want to make sure you know that they're very important. I provide these videos each week and the announcements at the beginning of each week and throughout the week to help you begin your work. So before you get started on anything throughout the week, check the announcements because I might have put something there to help you. For example, we have a project and I provide helpful videos. Watch those videos first before you begin the work each week because these are going to save you time and they're going to reduce your frustration. It takes time for me to make these videos, so if I make them, I obviously think they're important and useful for you. So this is a course in a nutshell. You'll notice that we have a discussion 3 of the 8 weeks. They're worth points. We have an assignment. It's a written assignment. You'll get a separate video when that project comes up in that module. And then you have 3 milestones that are part of the project. So we have the project and 3 milestones that kind of go together. Notice that's 440 points. I will have separate videos for each of those milestones and the project to specifically help you. So make sure you watch each video before you go through and start working on it. There's problem sets. That's the Cengage Now work. So there's 6 out of 8 weeks you have Cengage assignments. Okay, let's look at the assignment information. So you can click on that. Notice the assignment information also shows up on the sidebar. This is a great area for you to know what's coming up as far as your projects. You'll notice that you have discussion, then we have milestones 1, 2, and 3. So those are part of the overall project that you have. And then the final project presentation, which is due in Module 7. So all of these are due throughout the term. Module 3 has a written assignment. So I'm not going to go into any of this stuff right now because I'm going to have specific videos that are targeted for each of these that are short videos that kind of help you get through each parts of these assignments. Looking at Module 1, so in this module you'll notice that of everything in those modules that you need, you'll notice that first of all, here's the problem set for Module 1 that's in Cengage. So by clicking that, that'll take you to the Cengage Now assignments that are due. And then if you go to the discussion, it gives you the discussion and what you need to do for the discussion. In the discussion, make sure you answer the questions completely. There is a discussion rubric. For the discussions, I just want you to know something. I read each and every one of them. So if you don't think I'm going to read it, you're going to be incorrect. I'm going to read yours, and if sometimes students might copy someone else's, that's going to become obvious. So make sure you do your own work. Write a post of 1 to 2 paragraphs. Make sure that you completely answer the question. Make sure that you post as soon as possible. Thursday is the latest. The sooner the better. Make sure you use correct APA format for any references that you use. Don't use just a URL like a website. You have to use the APA format. Make sure you put correct grammar and spelling and respond to 2 other students. You must respond to other students with substantive posts. Just looking at Module 2, I'm not going to go through each module, but the reason I'll bring up this one is you can also see that you have your problem set for Cengage, but this is also where you submit your milestone 1. So you can access milestone 1 information in the assignment area, or you can access it by going here. The nice thing is that everything is embedded. In other words, when you go into the module, you can access all the information you need. And also, they did put the assignments together for the project, the milestones, and the paper in one area, so you could work on it when you needed to. That's about it for this orientation. Good luck.